Hello, and thank you for taking a few minutes out of your busy schedule to learn a little more about agent franchise and what we do for our agents and agencies. My name is David Jackson. I'm one of the founders here, and I've been in the industry for several years now. So, the first question that you should ask is why agent franchise? Why would you want to choose us? And it is simply the package that we put together. Your strength should be sales. What happens a lot of time in this industry is you are bogged down with everything else but making the sale itself, with making your lead decisions, managing your leads, figuring out which carriers to go with, licensing, appointments, the technology that brings all of that together from your phone system to your call recording to your dialer, and then the support that goes into all of those things in addition to supporting your clients once you've made the sale. So, what we've done is we've put together a complete system that lets you focus on what generates revenue and it allows you to keep your focus there. Now, the most important part of this industry is your lead generation or the leads that you purchase. There's no way to grow or be successful without the right combination of leads. If you've been in the industry, you're probably frustrated. You've tried several vendors, you're not getting the quality of leads that you need in order to make enough money off of your investment. If you're new to the industry, then you've got many more questions than you do answers. Which lead providers do we go with? What types of leads should we be taking? Are there filters that should be on the leads? Most new agents aren't even aware that there are filters. You can filter by age, healthy, pre-existing condition, even the client's budget, so that you're getting the exact demographics and the client model that's going to make you the most amount of money. Which states are actually giving you the best closing ratio? Which states have availability for leads so you're not sitting on the phone for a couple of hours waiting for it to ring? We basically give you all of that data. We've purchased hundreds of thousands of leads over the past couple of years, and you get all the information from that. Now, here is our lead programs that we provide not only to the agents but to the agencies. First and foremost, you get our free lead system. We put a couple of thousand new leads into the system every week, and then there's a couple 100,000 aged leads that are in there for the past 12 to 18 months as well. You have access to all of that. Doesn't cost you anything at all. If you want to purchase your own leads, we help you with that as well. The lead cash matching, if you want to purchase shared leads, say you put $500 into your account, we will match it through the GoHealth system with an additional 100%, or we'll put another $500 in there for you. If you want to purchase live leads, you put in $500 again through the GoHealth system. Then we will match it at 33% for an extra $166 in live leads. In addition to the lead matching, we also do policy cash. You can earn up to $140 per sale back for live lead transfers or shared leads, however you want to use them through the GoHealth system. You can spend it that way. That's very important because if you're taking live transfers and you're closing 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 4, then you're going to be able to replenish that cash without having to come out of pocket. It's going to self generate enough money so that you're not having to continually spend money on leads. And lastly, our carrier lead program, where the carriers have come to us because of the volume that we write and have offered us lead credits to promote their programs. Agents can get anywhere between 500 to 2,500 per month. It just depends on your efficiency and what your favorite carriers are, what states you're licensed in. Bottom line, if you're efficient and you close business, we will make you a part of one of the carrier lead programs. Now, technology is a really big piece of this, and it's where a lot of agents go wrong. Getting the wrong phone system, the wrong email system, trying to figure out autoresponders, dialers, figuring out which CRM to use, how do you track your commissions. We've basically built everything into one system. Every piece of our system communicates with the other. What wasn't available in the marketplace, we went out and created. So when you enter your client's information into our CRM, for instance, it's automatically enter your broker office. It's set up on your commission tracking. You know how much commission you have coming from that sale. It does everything from A to Z so that you don't have to spend a lot of time doing it. In addition to that, whether you're new or you've been in the industry for a while, our online training university is second to none. There's 58 separate modules that will walk you through everything from the basics to advanced sales techniques, submitting applications, operations, training you on our technical systems. Everything from A to Z is represented there so that you don't have to wonder. The answers are at your fingertips at all times. And again, our goal is to not have you spend time on things like this. We want you spending time selling. That's what generates you money. That's where your time should be spent. We also help you navigate through the sea of carriers. Agent franchise, we're basically appointed with every carrier in the country. Um, Frankly, too many carriers. Especially if you're new to the industry, you really need to limit the number of carriers that you represent until you've become an expert on the products that those carriers provide to the clients. We help you navigate through all that, not just finding the best product for your client, but understanding the commission cycle of each carrier, understanding when you get paid, how much you get paid. All of those things factor into the decisions that you're making for yourself or your agency. Now, on to commissions. What are the most important things about our system? We do have some of the highest commission rates in the industry. There's three different levels. Agent level one, that's basically for a brand new agent, someone that needs a high level of support. You're going to have a lot of questions, 10, 15, 20, 30 questions a day. Not only do you have our management and training staff available to you, but you're also going to be assigned a mentor, and that mentor will be available for you to answer questions as well, and that'll be a level two agent. So as a level one, you get a much higher level of support day in and day out. You get a moderate to high level of commission. There are no production requirements, and you do qualify for all the carrier bonuses. As an agent level two, you require minimal daily support. You've already been successful in the industry, and you're switching over to make more money on commission, higher commissions, or you're switching because our infrastructure is dramatically better than what you're currently having to deal with. We pay some of the highest commissions in the industry, if not the highest. There are no production requirements for a level two, and you qualify for all carrier bonuses, which in the second quarter of 2013, there's about $75,000 in bonuses available at an agent level. Um, Agency is for those individual agents or a group of agents that have been successful and they want more than just being an individual agent. You want to hire others. You want to get overrides on all of their sales. You want to get higher commissions because your volume is much higher. We provide you with all the infrastructure to do that, as well as a full agent accounting, so you're not having to spend time away from sales figuring out how much your agent should be paid, what are their commissions for this week, so on and so forth. In addition to the carrier bonuses, at an agency level, there are also agency bonuses that are available from various carriers. Now, all of this really doesn't mean a lot if it's not supported. So if you're new to the industry or you're a pro, we can kind of help you with every aspect of the business, from as simple as licensing your resident state, non-resident, helping you pass the test, to getting your appointments with the various carriers, training you not just on our systems, but what's been the most efficient way to close business. We didn't reinvent the wheel with any of this. We just went out, saw what worked, saw what was working for our agents, and comprised all of that into our agent franchise system. The training that's available is second to none, and it will show you the most efficient way. And we don't just stop with the sales training, you also get underwriting training, which starts during the sales process. It starts by knowing which medical conditions will be approved by which carriers. And then that follows through to after the sale, when we have to make sure that that client remains a client for more than 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Your persistency rate, the rate at which your clients cancel, needs to be very, very low in order to have a sustained career. And we help you through that process so that you understand exactly what has to transpire so that you're not losing clients. Now, there's a lot of uncertainty and change in this industry at the moment. A lot of people are not clear as to how Obamacare is exactly going to affect our industry. What is it going to do to the individual market? What's going to be left come 2014 and on? What we've done is taken a little different approach than most. So we know there's going to be a lot of opportunity, which always comes with change, but we've divided up the ability to focus on whichever area you need. So, for instance, from our inception, we've been providing individual policies to all of our clients, families, children. Now, through our system, you can provide group. We have everything from online quoting to all the contracts with the carriers for the highest commission rates, even Medicare. And we're involved in Medicare to such an extent now that even two of our agencies are certified Humana call centers so that they can sell Medicare Advantage over the phone throughout the United States. Because we are a Go Health authorized distributor as well, we will have access to the Go Health exchange. So you will actually have your own exchange for you to provide those plans, metallicized plans for your clients after 2014. So regardless of the direction that the industry takes, we have infrastructure in place to help you with that to make sure that you make money in 2014. Well, I'd like to thank you for taking the time out today to learn a little more about agency franchise. If we can answer more questions for you, or if you'd like more information, our number is on the screen. It's toll free, 888-290-9060. Or you can go to agentfranchise.com, find more information about us, as well as complete the initial application to request more information. Thank you again. I hope you guys have a great day.